When you're washing your toddler's hair, you might get soap or water in their eyes, so I'm hoping we can prevent it with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda in here with the bathtub because I'm about to give my toddler a bath. And one of the things that I've noticed here is that when I'm washing his hair, the water invariably runs down the face. Sometimes I breathe it in, gonna freak out a little bit. You know, I haven't noticed soap get in the eyes, but obviously if they do that, that's gonna hurt too. So something like this hopefully will make it a lot easier and have the baby freaking out a lot less because they won't be getting water and stuff in their face like they normally would. So hopefully it'll make it a lot easier on all of us. First of all, let me show you this up close before we try it out.
All right, so I just want to give you a close look at what this looks like. First of all, some of this is like a harder plastic, this blue piece right here, but some of it is like a softer silicone. So this is all a little bit harder, I mean flexible, but harder plastic, and this is much softer, kind of like, you know, just a more flexible, safer silicone, right? And what you can see here is that what's funny is it's going to make your kid look like Chip the teacup, but this is going to go on like this, and your water is going to collect in here. You can see we have this little flange that would ride up the forehead, and so hopefully that would channel the water back here. We also have this little strap here and two posts right there, so you can tighten this down, right, and kind of tighten it to the head. And the interesting thing here is that you have this handle, which actually is kind of brilliant because you're probably going to want to brace the head and kind of control it, but now you can do it with this and be very gentle with it, right, as opposed to trying to get it under here and control it with the neck. So even though I thought this might be a little too much force, I think this is actually the right way to do it. And then you can just pull it off like this, and now we'll just have to see if it works. So the hat works. I will tell you this. At the beginning, the baby seems to want to take it off, but seems to get used to it pretty quick. Actually, after washing his hair, he was picking up the hat and putting it back on. So there's something about it that's attractive. But it definitely keeps some of the water and shampoo out of the eye. So if you're looking for an easier way to keep your baby's face clear of all the stuff that makes them cry, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.